Hey guys, welcome to my new home. This is very well furnished. Look, you can see all this very beautiful decor that we have here. I'm in IKEA. I am going to get myself a floor mirror today because I really need one, but it would be nice to have a floor mirror just because like I can see like how I look like when I dress up full clad, like my whole outfit. And then we can also see what else, what other accessories we can find here. Welcome to my new home. Do you like it?
And I don't really need the oven.
There too, or something like some big energy thing. Then that is not really.
Oh, hello. I didn't notice you here. I'm just making some
I'm ready to buy it.
Aha, this is the mirror that I want. Vanessa. I think that's how you pronounce it. Vanessa. All right, we'll take one of these slips here. Or no, I'll just record this. And then we'll find this mirror in a little bit. It's got like a hanger thing on the back too. Perfect. Okay, I found my furniture. I got my numbers. We're going to aisle 27, bin 1. So let's head to aisle 27. Going down this row. I always really like this part because you get to see the big ass fans. That big ass fan. It's so big. Okay, we found it. Vanessa. Floor mirror. Something, something with numbers. White color. And as I had predicted, this thing is huge. It's like 7 feet long. So I'm probably not bringing this home today with me. But now I know that it is here and they have it. And it's huge. I'll ask my father to help me with this project here, bringing this home, because it is very big. And I don't want to break a mirror because apparently it is bad luck to break a mirror. I'm not superstitious, but if I can avoid something like that, like a curse of some sort, I will avoid it. Okay, well, that was a complete waste of time. Just kidding, it wasn't. I got to see the floor mirrors that they have in there, picked one out, and I'm gonna get that one in a couple of days, maybe 1 or 2 days. I'm gonna bring my daddy and we're gonna get that floor mirror. Venezuela, I think that was the name of it. We'll get that big mirror and we'll bring it home, all right? Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me at IKEA. Bye IKEA, we'll see you in a couple days. We'll get that floor mirror And then we'll be checking ourselves out every single day in that mirror, all right? Okay. See you later.